Take over the world now. Hey! Who is that? Is that Goku? Yeah, it's me, Frieza, and you're gonna get it. You know what, Goku? I would love to see you try. Alright. That took care of him. Gave him the suplex. Now I transform and I'm gonna kill you with my death ball. Huh? Where'd he go? Right here, Frieza. Did I just do it to him again? Father, I thought I told you I wanted to defeat Frieza. What? Shut up. On me. I own you. Choke slam. On me. Lay down. Hey, Kakarot. I just seen that you, yeah, you choke slammed your son. Just for that, I'm about to sock you. Oh! How was that? You tell me. Now what you gonna do? Can we all just get along? No. Get along with that. Hey! What do you want, Goku? I seen you snitch, boy. Brody Cell gonna get you. Shut up. Haha, you suck. What? It ain't no. It still ain't no. Stay down, boy. Nobody said you stay down.